Today is 17th of June. Market trades slightly positive, up 2.77 point at 2669 with low volume. Here market go through a period consolidations and break out very aggressively, however succumbs to selling. Now this retracement is quite deep, and right now it is at the support at about 2670. Resistance is at this level here, which coincides with this gap here as well at 2778. These are the level you like to watch. Now this few bar here generally are weak bars, so the blue chips are weak, so we should leave them alone. Now the strong stocks right now are confined to the ultra penny stocks and some of the food related stocks. First, take a look at some of the stock we've been discussing for quite some time. This is Riverstone. Very nice consolidation breakouts and ran up quite aggressively. Now the stock is losing momentum. It's a series of overlapping bar. Now if you continue to trade sideways, that will be healthy because the gains need to be absorbed before we break on the upside. Again, we'd like to see how it turn out. Eventually break above this high here of 249. UG Healthcare. Notice quite similar patterns. Very nice consolidation, break on the upside, aggressive run, and right now you notice the bar generally overlaps, losing some momentum. Again, if you can trade sideways to absorb the recent gain, close up the daylight, that will be healthy. And we'd like to see takeouts the high here of 85 cents. Now Meta had quite similar patterns as Riverstone's run-ups, and right now it's just hugging below the resistance level. Like to see break above the high here of 29 cents. Now we do have a move from Tianjin today. This stocks we rarely discuss, but today we have a very strong move here. Notice actually at the extension bar on breakout, likely to actually pull back from here. Notice a very high volume. It also in the process broke this resistance. So usually breaking the resistance, we may experience pullback, and the fact if this extension bar, more likely to pull back. Like to see what happens and trade accordingly. Now Clearbridge and Biolytics are just consolidating right now, but it's important to watch. You notice actually it's getting quiet, so it will be resolved through a breakout. So we'd like to see how it actually turn out, more likely break on the upside. We also see similar patterns in Biolytic. You notice after the severe run up, it actually normalizes. This is what we call normalization, and the swing gets smaller. So again, watch carefully for an aggressive move. Now let's take a look at the penny stocks. This is Synergy. Notice over here, the stock going through a period of consolidations here, and there was a run up, pullback, and notice pullback on low volume, break on the upside. Alright, aggressively with the extension bar, very high volume, and we have a reversal bar yesterday, and today there's an attempt to actually break. Notice, of course, you will prefer if you can rest more before you actually attempt any break. So it could be very tricky when you have only a brief pause. Notice the daylight is actually quite huge. A slightly stronger stocks is actually Y Venture. Quite similar patterns, but less aggressive move. And today managed to break on a high. Alright, notice the volume has also picked up. So we see overhead resistance here at this level here, slightly above 11 cents at about 113. So again, when you approach this level here, 113, 112, you probably have to pay some attention. This is too obvious. There's this congestion area to contend with. G Invecom. Very nice breakout today. Notice it break with an extension bar, very high volume spiked. Again, usually like this, it likely to pull back. Alright, and if you have taken the trade, it's important to lock in some profit and watch what happens next day.